do you think that sports and academics is a binary choice? I mean, what do you think? Is it a choice? And what do you think about that?
Thanks for that, Vijay. I think Hitesh is a better person for the question. But then, yes, I can probably. It's a very simple answer. I would say yes. It's a binary as of date, because even if you see students who are pursuing sports as as a career or a passion, they think, or the parents think about doing that post an age of 12 at the moment, right? So that is very evident that today, if somebody is going into sports, they're only thinking about sports, and more so from a parent's perspective, एक वो दिमाग में सबके बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये रहता है कि पढ़ेगा लिखेगा बनेगा नवाब है खेलेगा कूदेगा हो जाएगा खराब. So that thought process, it is imbibed so hard in the mind of people कि हमारे को आज भी एज पेरेंट्स ये लगता है कि बच्चा अगर पढ़ेगा नहीं तो कहीं पहुंचेगा नहीं. एंड फॉर दैट रीजन वो डर की वजह से yes, academics and sports is a binary choice till the time there is a moment where either the बच्चा says कि मुझे sports ही pursue करना है, or the parents find that yes, this is the way, there is no other way. So as of date today, yes, it's a binary choice that या तो बच्चा sports करेगा या वो academics करेगा. दोनों अभी तक नहीं होता.